Good morning, guys. This is Miss Williams. I'm doing your literacy video, and this is for Tuesday. And I wanted to just remind you of what we worked on Monday. Hopefully, you got a chance to do this page where we were listening for the sounds for letter O, and you have O, 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 and then you have the sound ah. And so O is a vowel and it makes two sounds. So we had to look at sock and then figure out if cat, mop, or top had the ah sound also. So hopefully you did this one. And then our next page, we had to spell the letter O and write the letter O and then do the short O sound, which is the ah sound. And so you had to look at your pictures, mop, sock, 7, and pick which pictures were the ones that started with, or not started with, but had the sound for O. And also the sound for O is in the middle of the word. So you have to listen very carefully because it won't be the first sound you hear, it will be the second sound you hear, or it's going to be the middle sound that you hear in the word. For today, your workbook page, we have this one. It has mop, dot, pot. And if you notice, it shows the letter O in the middle of each word. So it's not the first letter, it's not the last letter. You're to write the word at least 2 times in the spaces on the lines. You have dot, write it 2 times, pot, write it 2 times. Make sure and say the name of the picture. Say it slowly. Ah, dot, d, ah, t, pot, ah. Okay, so after you practice this page, I want you to get your journal and practice writing some of the CVC words like the ones that are in your workbook. I'm going to give you a few words and I want you to try to sound them out. You're going to have the letter O or the sound ah in the middle of the words. Okay, here we go. First word, box, box, b-ox, box. Write the word box. And I have a picture of a box. And let's look at the writing and how you spell box. B-O-X. Make sure you write the circle for the B, curve to the right, because if you do to the left, it makes the letter D. So B-O-X, box. Okay, let's go back. Our next word is rot. Rot. R-A-T. R-A-T. Rot. Next word, hop. Hop. Ah, ah, hop. Next word, top. T, ah, t, ah, top. Make sure you're writing your words nice and neat. Take your time, make them look nice. Next word, pot. P, ah, t, ah, Next word. Og, og, log. Make sure you're listening carefully. Say the word to yourself. Listen for the sounds that you hear when you say the word. And these are CVC words, so there's only 3 letters, and O will be in the middle. So see if you can get all 3 letters. Next word. Ready? Here we go. Mog. Og. Mog. Mog. And you have to remember, what letter is that? That one's N. But some of the kids have been getting confused with the and So remember the your lips go together. For the N, your tongue goes up. So make sure to remember that. Next word, dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog. Next word, jog. J-O-G, jog. J-O-G, jog. Next word, hot. 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 Next word, cop. Ah, ah. And now a lot of the kids ask, is it C or K? Cop, it has the letter C. All right. Okay, so make sure and see if your parents can check your work, see if you got all of those right. And if not, just practice those words again and make sure you write all 3 letters when you get a chance and try to sound out those words. And this will help you with your reading. So keep reading, make sure you're sounding out words, trying to figure them out so that you can be great readers. Okay, next we have our sight words. I hope that you've been practicing your sight words. We have they, and a lot of the kids are seeing the word the or the, but it has a Y, so this word is they. Next one, you and do. So hopefully you can remember these words. Do, you, and they. And this also will help you with your reading. Okay, I have a phonics sheet, and it shows different pictures, and they want us to figure out which ones have the ah sound, which is the short O sound. We have the letter O in the middle. We have a picture of pot, sun, sock, top, cat, mop. And let's go through first which ones have the ah sound, or the short O sound, which is ah. So if I said pot or sun, which one has the ah sound? Okay, you should have picked the pot. How about top, sock, top, sock? Okay, both of these have the sound for O. Letter O here, letter O here. cat, mop. You should have picked mop as the ah sound. So we have letter O. Now let's go to, we have two pictures that didn't have the letter O. We had sun, sun, what letter is in the middle? What sound do you hear in the middle? It's the sound. So that's the letter U, like umbrella, umbrella. For cat, at, as the a sound, like apple. So it has the short A sound. So we have the short U, short A for those two. You can practice writing each word. Some will have 3 letters, some will have 4 letters, but try and sound out those words. But also make sure you remember it has the letter O as your second or middle sound. All right. Well, you all have a good rest of the day and hope you're studying and practicing your letters, your sounds, and your words, and also practice reading. Have a good day. Bye-bye.